Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Replacing a specific line in a file in Python can be done in several ways. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a straightforward method using a combination of reading from the original file and writing to a temporary file. After replacing the specific line, you can overwrite the original file with the temporary file. Tutorial: Replacing a specific line in a file. Step 1. Understanding the approach. 1. Read the original file, load the contents of the file into memory. 2. Modify the contents, replace the specific line that you want to change. 3. Write to a temporary file, save the modified contents into a new temporary file. 4. Overwrite the original file, replace the original file with the temporary file. Step 2. Code example. Here's a complete code example that demonstrates how to replace a specific line in a file. Step 3. Explanation of the code. 1. Function definition. The function replace_line_in_file takes 3 parameters, the file path, the line number, 0 indexed, and the new line content. 2. Reading the file is opened in read mode, R. We iterate through each line, keeping track of the current line number. 3. Replacing the line. When the current line number matches the specified line number, we append a new line to the new _contents list. Otherwise, we append the original line. 4. Writing to the file. After reading all lines, we open the file again in write mode, W, and write back the modified contents. 5. Usage example. At the end of the script, we provide an example usage where we replace the third line of example.txt. Important notes. 0 indexing. Remember that line numbers in programming often start from 0. In the example above, if you want to replace the third line, you would pass 2 as line_number. Backup. It's a good idea to create a backup of the original file before making changes, especially if it contains important data. File permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to read from and write to the file. Error handling. For production code, consider adding error handling, try except blocks, to manage potential issues such as file not found or permission errors. Conclusion. This is a simple yet effective way to replace a specific line in a text file using Python. You can adapt this approach for more complex file modifications as needed. Happy coding!